In this lecture, we are going to write a program to read and write data to a file, but line by line. So in order to write content line by line, we are going to use two functions as fputs and fgets. So in the program, I am going to use a file pointer. I am using a string of size 100, which will be used to get content from the user, and that content will be written to a file using this character array. After that, I am opening the file. I am specifying the full path of the file over here. Notice that instead of single slash, I am using double slash. So this is acting as a SKM sequence over here. So this is nothing but c:/myfile.txt. So double slash will be converted into slash before opening that file, and I'm opening this file into write mode. So once this statement is executed, if fp is equal to null, then I'm going to put a string. So puts is a function that prints a screen on output device, that is on your console screen. So I am printing puts, an error occurred while opening the specified file. After this puts, we can call exit function so that program gets terminated over here. Alternatively, if this condition was not true, then our subsequent lines should get executed. So I'm asking user to enter a string, and I'm using getS function. So whatever string that user enters, that will be stored into str, which is the character array. And after that, I'm going to use fputs. I'm passing character array to it, and that character array will be stored into the file where fp is pointing. So user's entered string will be stored into this file. After the contents are written, I can use fclose to close that file. Now here we are just writing a single statement. You can use a while loop, and you can run that while loop until a specific point so that user can enter multiple number of lines, and which will be written into your file using puts function inside of your while loop. So once file write operation is completed, I am opening the same file into read mode, and we are again going to check if fp is equal to null. We'll print our error statement. We can have our exit function here as well, assuming that file was opened correctly. So I'm using while 1 over here. So 1 is nothing but true, so this is while true. That is an infinite while loop. So inside of this while loop, I'm writing an if statement as fgets str, 10, fp. So fp is nothing but your file pointer. 10 is the number of characters that we want to read from fp, and those characters will be stored in str. If fgets could not read any character set, then it will return me null. So as soon as it returns me null, we can break this while loop. That means we have received some character using fgets. So str will be holding those 10 characters. So we can immediately print that character array using printf%s and specifying the character array. Once this while loop gets completed, we can close that file, and that will end your program.